Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right Dhaga for your fabric and prepping the needle. That choice affects strength and sheen. Once chosen, cut a manageable 18 to 24-inch length to avoid tangles, then thread the needle using a slightly moistened tip to firm the fibers. Make sure to pinch the thread about 1/4 of an inch from the end and guide it through the eye. If the eye is small, fold the end into a tiny point to help it slide cleanly. Next, decide whether to double the Dhaga for strength. Doubling increases durability but can bulk seams, while single thread suits delicate textiles. Once you choose, tie a firm overhand knot roughly 5 to 10 millimeters from the end to prevent fraying, and leave a 3 to 4 centimeter tail. To anchor, start with a tiny backstitch or a temporary waist knot. This keeps the first stitches from pulling through the fabric. Make sure to tighten each stitch evenly to finish. Lock the seam with 3 tight backstitches, pull snug, and trim the tail to about 1/2 centimeter. A tiny dot of fabric glue secures slippery Dhaga. If the thread frays mid-work, stop, cut a clean angled end and rethread. Use a needle threader for narrow eyes. If stitches skip or fabric puckers, make sure your needle size matches fabric weight and adjust tension or switch to a different Dhaga type. With these checks, you'll get smooth, lasting results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.